Well, so on Netflix there is this the Class of '83, this the Deol film that was released, and honestly, this was one movie that it's I don't know, there was a lot of hype built up. I mean, one was just waiting to watch it, and it is it really lives up to its name, because it's been produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, which is that Shah Rukh Khan owned company, and as always, Shah Rukh Khan makes sure, right from the script that he chooses to the way a film is presented, it's got that certain, it's very classy. So, I mean, this entire like this film is shot in, it's all about this in the police academy, the class of 1983. It's based on a book by Hussein Zaidi, the writer who's he's been a co-writer in quite a few films also, and it's Bobby Deol as the dean of that particular, of that particular police academy, that particular batch in that police academy is. It's the sort of film that once you start watching, you want to keep watching. So, really, Class of '83 is a film that is everyone should watch because it'll give you a peek into the life of how it is at a police academy. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. No, I've become very conscious of how I'm speaking and all because it's like you suddenly get nervous, lots of people watching and all of that, but still I feel so I'm trying to keep my reviews very professional and not give my wonderful expressions and personal opinions, but yeah, but I think I should do that, which I might in the next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.